Hey guys, it's Brent with Lawhon Home Team and PRB.
And I'm Jennifer, and in this video we're going to take you on a new home tour right here in Minneola, Florida by Ashton Woods.
That's right, Minneola, Florida is just about 30 minutes from downtown. You will get everything you're looking for here. Hills, lakes, everything to do.
There are beautiful views here in Minneola, and the city's growing, so in 5 years it's going to look quite different.
Yeah, so come on with this tour.
Ashton Woods is part of an expansive 15-acre master plan community and just about a 30-minute drive to Orlando. Now let's check out the model Bedland. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home consisting of 1,906 feet and starting base price $437,000. With this floor plan, the first 3 bedrooms will be shown right off the foyer. Then you can step right into the kitchen and see a beautiful open floor plan. A decent sized kitchen with plenty of counter space, which opens to the living room and a dining area. Now let's step into the owner's suite. This is a nice sized suite with a beautiful owner's bathroom with the option to have dual sinks and a nice walk-in closet. You'll also get a nice shower. You can also choose a frameless one. And a gorgeous view of the Minneola Hills. There is a 4th bedroom just past the foyer across from the other 2 bedrooms. This could also be used as an office, as you see here in this model. Welcome home.
The Griffin comes in 4 to 6 bedroom and 3 to 4 bathroom models. Walk right into your formal sitting room. Enjoy an open-air kitchen, serving island, and great room. Eat-in kitchen. Look at those countertops. Look how high those ceilings go. You get so much light in this model. Let's go upstairs and check it out. When you walk in upstairs, you have your bedrooms, your owner's suite, guest bathroom, plenty of light in this guest suite. Look at that view. Walk into your owner's suite through double doors. Plenty of room in here. Huge walk-in closet. Check out the bathroom. Double sinks. Frameless shower. Enjoy an office. Another guest bathroom. Another guest room. Enjoy overlooking your great room to see what's going on downstairs with the family.
If you'd like to learn more about the Orlando area, please feel free to download our Orlando Relocation Guide. And if you have any questions about the Orlando area or its real estate market, feel free to call the above number or visit LawhonHometeam.com. Enjoying our videos? Please like and subscribe to our channel.